welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So I'm back with another Madam Glam advent calendar unboxing. Today is December 10th and I'm super excited to see what Madam Glam has for us. I'm not having the best day today, but hopefully this will cheer me up. Doing nails is like my stress relief anyways, so yeah, this always cheers me up no matter what. So we have the 10th here and the box looks bigger than it normally does, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Okay, so here is the box for the 10th. This is really cute. It's all white packaging with like some gold, like holographic polka dots on it. Super cute. So yeah, let me try to guess what this one is today. I kind of like made that my thing now. In every video I try to guess what's in the box. So let's see. I don't know, I'm thinking it probably is polygel. So yeah, let's see if I'm right about this one. Ooh, I was wrong this time. Okay, Madam Glam, you had me fooled. I was definitely wrong this time. I had all the other ones right though, but this time they got me. So this, let me zoom you guys in because I know you won't be able to see from that far away. But this is actually a cuticle oil from Madam Glam. Elixir nail and cuticle oil. So yeah, and of course Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, and gluten free. And then the directions say, I don't know if you guys can see that because my camera, but it does say every night after removing Madam Glam's gel polish and after doing your nails, to rehydrate your cuticles, use the proper amount of cuticle oil and apply to the cuticles and gently massage. It will repair and protect your nails. Tighten the cap after every use. So yeah, let's take a look at what this cuticle oil looks like. I honestly didn't even know that Madam Glam had cuticle oil. I never really seen anybody use it. Ooh, this is really nice. So this is what the packaging is looking like. It says Elixir on it. I love the little like rose gold bottle top with the little dropper. I am actually gonna test out this cuticle oil because I wanna see how good it works. I wanna smell it too. It doesn't really have like that much of a scent or anything, but let's see how well it moisturizes your cuticles. And don't mind my dry hands, like they look so dry right now. I did put lotion on, but yeah, I definitely could use some cuticle oil. So what better way to test it out? My cuticles always end up getting like super dry for some reason. I always wash my hands a lot. That's probably why. I'm literally always washing my hands like all throughout the day. Let me do some on the thumb. And you're not really supposed to touch your skin with the dropper, but I'm the only one really going to be using this. But if you were going to be using this on other people as well, you won't really want to touch the skin with it. Just a little FYI. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. I have to say this cuticle oil is actually really good. It like moisturizes your skin really nicely. So yeah, we're looking new and hydrated all over again, not like dehydrated and shriveled like a prune. We're like back in business. It almost looks like I just did my set, even though I have like paint all over my nails. You can't really see because I got most of it off, but the other day I was like painting. So yeah, I guess it's RIP to my cute kawaii set. But I have gotten a lot of compliments when I've went out with these nails. A lot of people were like, wow, that's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like that. And I'm like, really? Like, this is like what's in right now. Like, how could you not know about these kind of nails? But then I gotta stop and think, like, not everybody like follows trends or is like into nails like that. So yeah, but they definitely, a lot of people like them. Like, women and men have complimented me on these. Like, everyone said they're like so cool looking. This has to be like my favorite set. I just love it. It's like so me. But yeah, I'll be sad when I have to take these off. I actually have to film a video tonight, so. But yeah, they were fun while they lasted. But yeah, this is a really nice cuticle oil. So yeah, as always, the links will be in the description box. If you guys are like interested in this advent calendar or anything, or just like their gel polishes or any of the other products that I've unboxed in these advent calendar videos, the link will be down below with my discount code. And in case you don't know, my code can only be used on non-sale items, so just keep that in mind. But I do have a playlist. If you guys do want to watch the other unboxings to this calendar, you guys can go back on my playlist tab and watch it there, or it will be linked at the end of this video. So yeah, look at the box for the 11th. I'm like dying to open this one. This is like the second biggest box out of the whole advent calendar, besides the big box that you get on Christmas. The 11th is like the second biggest one, so I am like super excited to see what's in this one tomorrow. But yeah, I definitely do feel a lot better now that I've received this nice gift from Madam Glam. This is definitely another nice addition to what we've already received from the calendar. So yeah, guys, check the links below, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. I do product reviews and like nail tutorials and stuff like that. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing. Bye.